Serving the San Diego community since 1913, Mission Brewery has rich history and delicious craft beer. Here are 3 fun facts about Mission Brewery. They were the first to introduce the 32-ounce can. Mission Brewery didn't just stick to the norm. They created a can that holds 2 full pints. It's perfect for any adventure and keeps your beer fresh while reducing their carbon footprint. They've always been about pushing boundaries, and this was a big move that's all about giving you more of the beer you love. Ken's passion for beer brought Mission Brewery back to life. When Ken, a true beer lover, saw a chance to take over Mission Brewery, he couldn't resist. He teamed up with his business partner Darren, and together they revived and grown Mission Brewery to what it is today, a place where history and great beer come together. Their dedication is what makes Mission Brewery more than just a spot to grab a drink. It's a living piece of San Diego's beer culture. They've brought back some pre-prohibition recipes. Beers like Old Mission Lager and Hopsky aren't just new creations. They're reimagined versions of the original recipes that date back to the early days of the brewery. They've honored their roots by keeping the classic flavor profiles alive, while also making sure that the beer fits today's taste. If you're not doing anything this weekend, Walkabout will be hosting a mixer there. Perfect if you wanted to check it out, didn't want to go alone, or you're looking to make some new friends.